Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your mobile accessibility labels with iOS VoiceOver, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your mobile accessibility labels with iOS VoiceOver, start by unlocking your iOS device. Swipe down to access the home screen. Locate the app you want to modify. Double tap to open the app. Once inside, navigate to the element you wish to update the accessibility label for. Make sure VoiceOver is enabled on your device. If not, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and toggle on VoiceOver. Now, with VoiceOver active, use the rotor gesture to select the Actions menu. Swipe up or down with two fingers to find the Edit Accessibility Label option. When you hear the option, double tap it to activate. The current label will be read aloud by VoiceOver. To edit the label, double tap on the text field. Now type in the new label using the on-screen keyboard. When finished, be sure to confirm your changes by tapping Done. Return to the main screen by pressing the Home button or swiping up. To check your updated label, navigate back to the modified element. Use a single tap to select the element, and listen as VoiceOver reads the new label aloud. Repeat these steps for any other elements you want to update. You have now successfully updated your mobile accessibility labels using iOS VoiceOver. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.